Here is how to play multiplayer in Among Us. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can play multiplayer in Among Us. It's really easy, so just follow the steps. The process is the same whether you're using an Android device or your iPhone. So I'm using Android device. No matter what you're using, you need to open the respective Play Store or App Store according to your device and update the Among Us application to its latest version first. And after opening the app, you'll see the home screen something like this, where you can customize settings. Now to play multiplayer, click on the play button on the left side of the screen, which is the initial option available. You'll get two different options of local and online. For online play, you have three different options of create game, enter code, and find game. Creating a game will let you host a game, and finding a game will let you join a public game. Or you can go ahead and select enter code to enter a private game using a code from a friend. And by following these steps, you can enjoy multiplayer mode in Among Us. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.